Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can order and pay on Temu application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Temu application on your device. Once you're there, you can search a product here and you can find your categories for women, men, home, kids, and all the stuff there. You can search from there as well. You can search a particular specific product here as well. So just for the sake of the video, let's suppose I want to buy this dash cam. So all you need to do is to tap on add to the cart. Once you select it, so it is added to the cart. Now you can go to the cart, and once you're here, if you suppose you selected more than one product, so if you want to remove one, you need to just tap on the delete icon. So as you can see, that one is deleted. So if you want to buy this product, then just tap on checkout. So once you tap on checkout, from here you need to enter your address. So from here, like suppose you need to enter the region or the country, then your full name, then your phone number, the province, district, street, building name, all you need to enter here. So guys, I will enter all these details and I will see you in a minute. So guys, once you enter all your details, all you need to do is to tap on save. So once you tap on save, as you can see, your address is here saved. Now the thing is that how you will pay. So there is a payment method. So if you already have a payment method on Temu application, if you don't know how to add a payment method, you can watch a video that I already make. You can find the link of that video in the description. The next thing is that you can either select the card or you can use a prompt pay. It depends on where you live as well. So you can use a PayPal, Google Pay, or you can cash on delivery as well. You need to just tap here. So any the option that you like to pay, you can select that one, and then you can just submit the order, and your order will be submitted, and then it will be on process to ship to you on the given address that you provided. So guys, this is how you can order on Temu application and pay on Temu application as well. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.